We're cutting 3 of them at 13 feet 6 inches.
Make sure I'm going to miss it with my teeth. I look a little close to me.
Hello Deliberate Lives, my name is Mike. When we posted our last solar panel video, we got a lot of comments asking us exactly how we built it. So I figured this time I'm doing one other array, and this time I'll show you exactly how we build it and with what materials. Follow along. Hello, today I am drilling the holes in the columns. It's a 3/4 inch hole, and I've already got the other two. You probably can't see the holes there. The other 2 holes there. I came in the last night, or no, 2 nights ago, and just marked using my laser. I got vertical and horizontal, so that I could have all of the holes in a nice straight line, even though the columns here are slightly offset. I mean, it's about 2 inches between 30 feet over all of them. I know some people say that's way too much. They can do better, and yes, they probably can, but that's not me. So I use the laser to mark it exactly where I want it, and then I'll drill the holes, and then we'll be putting the cantilevers on. The cantilever beams, let me start over again. Okay, try again. Cut 342. The cantilever beams are 2 inches by 4 inches and a 0.250 thick. We're cutting 3 of them at 13 feet 6 inches, 162 inches.
Don't lose your hat, because it's going to blow away.
The next beams we've got are the beams going across the front, middle, and top. The beams going across the front are 1.5 by 2.5, and they're an 1/8 inch thick. They actually came to us at 20 foot 4 inches, and we need about a 30-foot piece. So I'm going to cut this beam in half, and then we'll bolt it to another 20-footer. Now, if I was a real welder, I'd cut the last inch off so that it was welded up nice and straight. I'm more of a drill a hole, bolt it through. So I don't worry about this last little bit. I just figure it hangs out the end. So come on over and we'll cut it off.
So you're going to cut it at 10 feet 2 inches?
10 feet 2 inches.
10 feet 2 inches. So you basically cut it right in half.
Yep.
I had a little mishap yesterday. You can see that's bent. We were using it to hold the posts, and it didn't hold it. So as we're putting up the solar. So when you're building a solar panel array like this, these ratchet straps are invaluable because they help you to put put it where you want it.
Okay, actually now that I see the angle, lift up a little. Okay. Drop it down. Drop the teeth down to the ground.
But then the angle will be wrong when we're up.
We'll put it back. We'll put it back.
Okay.
Okay, bring it forward. Stop.
You need my help with it?
Let's see here. Okay, thumb down. More, another inch. Good. Okay, lift up.
Wait, we gotta rotate it up.
We will lift up. Okay, hold on. Guys, slide it back. I want it about 2 inches back from this.
Okay?
Okay,
Probably ought to get them square.
well, don't worry about that. We're good. There's a, yeah, put a clamp on it.
Okay.
Yeah, one clamp is good. Okay, let's load the other one up.
Wow. That was quick. Compared to that.
I also have a new bit in there too.
Well, yeah, but compared to yesterday's with the other drills.
Yeah.
He was using just our battery powered Milwaukees and Porter cables, and the bits would slip because you just can't tighten them hand tight. The hummingbird just came in. I love hummingbirds. So what I'm doing is making the super struts for the solar. like we did last time, but you have to cut one of them in thirds and then attach it to the end of one. So that's what I'm doing right now. I already cut one in thirds. I got 2 done. And I'm working on the third one. I'm gonna do 8 of these, so. Smart. I don't have to be on the ground at all to do this. So we have this table. It's a mess because Mike's got stuff all over it, and then we got a sawhorse I put down there to support it, and it's pretty well flat, so it should work out. Save my back. Could have a little more light on this subject. Hey, look at that. Better put my hearing protection on. That's pretty loud. That is not straight. Yeah, you're not straight. What do you know?
We got all the super strut on, which means we're ready to start adding solar panels. Well, Michael finished the solar up here. It's only half of a solar bank. 8 panels. How big are the panels?
390 watts.
Okay, it's only half because this is way more power than we need up here right now anyway. And so we'll put the other half up later when we need more power up here. But this is what will power all the work we did with the float valve and everything else. We can run the pump and we can run saws and everything else up here now because we got plenty of power. And you said that the pump ran in what?
About 15 minutes. I noticed the pump was running, the well pump was running, and 15 minutes later, about that, I looked at it and it was, batteries were up to 100%.
Yeah, so it's plenty of power. It'll be great. We'll get the solar inspector coming and get it checked off.
Another day of adventures is over. Thanks for watching. Remember, live life deliberately.